Hi, it's Mark Kaufman, Anthology's Senior Partner Software Engineer on the Integrations team, Developer Relations and Standards. Here we are looking at LTI tool providers and managed global properties, and we get a lot of questions from people about why am I not getting my roles from my LTI 1.3 launch. And the issue is that you can see here by default when you get a new Learn system, well, first of all, it's not sending any user data, so you're going to have to turn on either the the preferred option is send user data only over SSL, and then you're also going to have to check the role in course, and then if you want to use the uh, names and roles provisioning service that is available with LTI 1.3 Advantage, you want to check this yes box here. So those are the things you're going to need to do on your Learn system to configure it so that you get roles in the LTI launch. Thank you for watching.